What's up guys, it's your boy John. We are back in here with another video. Today we're going to be looking at Suma Performance's awesome modification for the Integra Type S and Civic Type R and even on the SI and other models. Now we're going to be working on this mirror. What are we doing with the side mirrors? Let me show you the unboxing. Alright, so after you open the box right here, I have it already kind of opened. You have these great blue reflections that will cut down on glare. And you know, late at night, if you ever get blinded by cars, especially if your car is lowered or a smaller car, there you go. It also has the blind spot assist. So you can plug it in and I guess it'll blink like the OEM, which is also nice. And then it also has heated elements as well. And of course the big thing is the mirrors are convex, so you can see more, which is really good. I'm going to show you the before and after real quick. The rest inside the box is another one. This one's for left. And we have a little prying tool. Alright, let's remove the OEM mirror. And voila, the mirror is removed. There's a lot of grease. Let's put in that new mirror. So after removing the mirror, you want to unclip this white clip right here. I'm just using the pry tool that is included. Just be gentle. Alright, so after I removed it, I'm transferring it to the new Suma Performance ones. There are these little clips, holders. You want to push it back in, kind of like how you removed it. They do latch. Make sure all the wires are out of the way. Just clip them in. Pretty self-explanatory. Once you do that, you just push it back into the unit, the housing right here. Alright, this could have just been me, but these two little balls joints that kind of clip on did not work with it very well, so I just end up taking this piece off, popping the two balls a little in, and then I'm going to put the mirror on. So you can definitely see that there is a big difference. You can see more. And this is like in the garage, so imagine a little bit different when you're further out driving and it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger the farther things are from you. But yeah, that looks very good. Just wanted to show you guys that comparison. So